Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Agua Fresca de mango, a mango fresh water drink. It's super light, it's quick and easy. So let's get to it. So you're going to need 3 cups, between 3 and 3.5 cups of water for this one if you want to keep the flavor of the mango, because it's going to depend highly on how sweet your mango is. So for me, what I did is I chopped up 2 mangoes, and then I'm going to use about half a cup of frozen mango so that I can get a pure flavor, because the last thing you need, you get a bunch of fresh mangoes and the flavor doesn't come through. You guys have tried it, you probably know what I'm talking about. So you want to make sure to add that into your blender. And I'm going to add a cup of ice so that we can keep this fresh. We're not going to be straining this one, guys. You need 2 tablespoons of citrus. I think it tastes better with lime. You guys choose whatever you have at hand, whether it's key lime, lime, something like this is going to work. And if all you have is an orange or a cutie, go for it. There we go. So we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's going to depend highly on your blender. If you have a blender that's not as powerful, use half the amount of mangoes and the same amount of water, and you should be okay. Now, if you're using a Vitamix or these really powered blenders, make sure not to keep it on there too long and adjust, because you don't want to end up with the mango soup. You want agua fresca. So let's blend. And just like that, we have some agua fresca de mango. You guys, if you like the sweet version, make sure to stick around to the end, because I'm going to give you the exact measurements for what you guys need, okay? So just go ahead and pour that in. If you notice, I'm not straining my mango because I like the pulp from the mango. It's really good for your digestion. Extremely good. You guys ever seen or have any friends that are Filipino? Well, since I get told that I look Filipino so often, I became more familiar with Filipino culture and friends. And one of the things I'm going to tell you is, if you have a Filipino friend and you see their skins looking fly, they eat a lot of mango. Please tell me if I'm wrong, guys, because a Filipino mango is amazing.
It's so good.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you guys have heard me talk about my neighbor that she's no longer here. She's in the Philippines, but she always used to bring me like such amazing dishes. She always would cook her Filipino cuisine. And I think for those reasons, I don't cook it, because I kind of miss her. I wish she would bring me the dishes, right? Yeah. All right, so let's give this a good taste. It's subtle. It's not overpowering. Definitely, guys, try to drink it without the sugar. And if you cannot tolerate it without the sugar, add 1 teaspoon at a time until you build up something that you can manage. You need to get off that sugar as much as I do. So let's do it slowly with some natural fruits that have great flavor. Definitely, if you don't have fresh, use just frozen. If you don't have the frozen kind, use the fresh. But I definitely recommend that you guys mix both of them so that you can get a pure mango flavor. So, you know what? That reminds me of me being corrected when I order through a drive-thru. Anything has mango in it, I always get corrected, guys.
Why? Because you say mango?
Because I say mango, and then the kids are kind of like just being bullies at that point, because they're like, mango, what is that? I'm like, I'm sorry, mango, you know? And it's like, give me a break. Give me a break, kids. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this agua fresca, because honestly, when it gets really hot outside and you need something fresh, definitely try this one, because it's going to save your life from that heat exhaustion. That's where we're headed. I think we're like 95 today, and I'm like, what? So cheers to you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and then click that bell, and you'll get notifications when I upload videos, and you become one of my bells. So on that note, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Adios.